Yo, what they got you in for?
So, I mean, you can get me when I say I could kill for an okay day.
Yeah, get it. That blows. I'm sorry to hear that. But hey, maybe things will look up from now. I mean, we here in this nice place. Got good music playing. Oh, and by the way, I'm sorry it took so long to get this date organized. I didn't even have to reply for a week. That's because I was on a retreat, you know? Ah! Are those actually vampires?
Yes, and with your blood.
3 full canteens, dried meat, several length of cords.
I need you to do something for me Monday, though.
What?
Go to the bank, go to the second account, get some money and drop it at the numbers I'm gonna give you.
Okay, we can do that.
Cool.
Then we go shopping after.
Yeah, we'll go shopping. I think there's somebody at the door. How'd you find the place?
That's pretty easy, man.
It's pretty easy.
So what's up?
Mama told me to give you a call. What's going on with you?
I should not tell her nothing, man.
What'd you tell her?
I feel like Sonya ain't right.
Think she's cheating on you?
Yes. I don't know if I think this, man.
How old is she now? 3 or 4?
She's 4.
Do you want her to be yours?
Of course.
Do you love her?
Yes.
And she's yours, bro. Anyways, what you gonna do?
I ordered a DNA test.
Athena being yours, Sonia cheating, that's 2 different issues.
Yeah, I know.
You need to deal with the real issues at hand. If Sonia cheating, find out and deal with it.
You're right.
I know I'm right, young fella.
More than just a gift. I wear it all the time.